Welcome to Educashi, your go-to channel for simple and engaging economics insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental concepts in economics, the circular flow model. Ever wondered how money moves through the economy? How businesses, households, and even the government keep the economy running? Stick around as we break it down with real-life examples and easy explanations. Let's get started. Who introduced the circular flow model? The circular flow model was first introduced by Richard Cantillon in the early 18th century. Later, economist François Quesnay developed a more structured version called the Tableau économique in 1758. What is the circular flow model? Imagine a world where money, goods, and services keep moving in a cycle, connecting businesses, households, and even the government. This cycle is called the circular flow model, a fundamental concept in economics. Money, goods, and services flow continuously, creating economic activity. Now, let's break this model down into two key sectors, households and businesses. In the simplest version of the circular flow model, there are two main players, households and businesses. This is a continuous loop. People work to earn money which they spend on goods and services through which businesses make profit and hire more workers. And the cycle repeats. The expanded circular flow model including the government foreign sector. The government plays a key role in the economy. It collects taxes from households and businesses, and in return, provides essential services like roads, education, and healthcare. The foreign sector represents international trade. Countries import buy goods from other nations and sell their products abroad. This shows how economies are interconnected worldwide. The role of banks, financial institutions. Banks and financial institutions connect savings and investments. Households deposit money in banks, and banks lend money to businesses for expansion. This ensures the economy keeps growing. Why does the circular flow model matter? The circular flow model helps us understand how money circulates in an economy, how businesses, households, and the government interact, the role of banks in economic growth, how trade connects economies worldwide. Key takeaways. Understanding the circular flow model helps us see the bigger picture of how economies function. So, next time you buy something, remember, you are part of this great economic cycle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more simple and engaging economic lessons.